We've got to make sure our buyers are protected.
There's only one way to make that happen.
Property inspection.
Let's work this habit.
Not with this laptop again.
Hey, every inspector I found while surfing Safari, 5 stars. Safari is max gift to real estate.
Okay, so I've got a few referrals of inspectors I found. Diligent, detailed, and inspecty.
Great. We need to disclose everything. Disclose it and close it.
Disclosee.
No, closey.
Disclosure.
Disclosing the disclosures.
Is the laptop ready?
Not yet.
Okay. Now remember, it's only about what we can see. We're realtors. We're not engineers. No diagnoses.
Exactly. We need to know the time of day and the weather conditions because the weather can make or break an inspection.
Can I get a witness?
Me.
Why is this thing taking so long?
Hey, the time it takes to boot? A gift.
Oh, great gift. All right. Listen, we've got stains on the ceiling, and they're definitely mold.
We can't say the M word.
Stained.
Splotchy.
Possible stigmata stains on the ceiling.
Your wordsmanship is unparalleled.
Only defects we can see, my friend. We can't act like contractors.
Who are actors?
They're contractors.
That are actors.
Contractors?
Well, they both play make-believe. Mac is up. Home inspector, Santa Clarita, septic.
I like your specificity, my friend.
Hey, here we go. Look, Inspector Marvin out of Newhall. Fair prices, great Yelp reviews.
Oh, let's email that to the client.
Sent. Stigmata stains. You are good. Oh, no.
Jesus. Keep flowing. Keep flowing.